and beyond. Heart, the symbol of love. And during Valentine's Day, the symbol of love is celebrated by many or most people around the world. The NSLG decided to make it memorable not only for couples but also for students and teachers in Mango High School. How do you feel for today's event and what is your message?
Okay, so first of all, today is Valentine's Day. Of course, I feel loved and cared because of my students and everybody around me. I am thrilled to have Valentine's Day for 3 years here in Mangkao. So thank you very much for all the love and care. So happy Valentine's for everybody.
Now, we will hear from the SLG President about how we came up with the plan to execute the Valentine's Day event successfully.
As an SSLG president, I came out with a plan to cooperate by SSLG members and discuss with the activities such as shout out a flower to all teachers and gave it to them here in Macau High School.
Love and happiness filled the air as students and teachers of Mangkao High School came together to celebrate Valentine's Day. The event, organized by the SLG members, was a wonderful opportunity for everyone to express love, gratitude, and appreciation for one another. The school was transformed into a romantic and lively space with colorful decorations that perfectly match the spirit of Valentine's Day. Red and pink balloons, heart-shaped ornaments, and lovely floral arrangements made the venue look beautiful and inviting. Many students and teachers took photos against the capturing sweet memories of the day. One of the highlights of the celebration was the giving of gifts. Students gave flowers, chocolates, and handwritten letters to their friends, teachers, and loved ones. Teachers also received small tokens of appreciation from their students, making them feel special and valued. A shout-out message was all set up where students could write messages for their friends, crushes, and teachers. This simple but meaningful activity allowed everyone to share kind words and express their feelings openly. The messages ranged from funny and sweet to heartfelt and emotional, making the day even more special. While some couples enjoyed the romantic atmosphere, many students took the time to greet their teachers and thank them for their hard work and dedication. Advisors in particular received warm greetings and thoughtful messages from their students. To make the celebration more enjoyable, some talented students performed love songs to their friends, crushes, and teachers, bringing smiles and laughter to the crowd. The celebration brought everyone closer, reminding students and teachers of the importance of love, friendship, and appreciation. The event was not just about romantic love, but also about valuing the people around us, our friends, teachers, and classmates. At the end of the day, the Mangkaweños left the event with happy hearts and unforgettable memories.
Isang public hanapan ang bukaw sa isip ng diwan ng mga mag-aaral sa mataas na paaralan ng Mangkao. Ikalabing 8 ng Disyembre taong 2024, naganap ang kanilang Christmas party. Kung makikita ninyo sa aking likuran, ay talaga namang masayang ipinagdiriwang nila ang kanilang Christmas party.
Bawat classroom ang makulay at magandang disenyo na inihanda para sa Christmas party. Ginamit dito ang mga materyales na nireseklo tulad ng papel at plastic upang gawing palamuti. Sa ibang baitang, kapansin-pansin ang maayos na table skirting na may angkop na kulay at organisado ang ayos. Malaki rin ang Christmas tree na ginawa ng mga estudyante at guro na halatang pinag-uunahan ng oras sa panahon. May ilang classroom din na naglagay ng photo booth. Sa pagkain naman, bawat baitang ay naghanda ng iba't ibang putahe tulad ng spaghetti, salad, maha, at iba pang handa na madalas ihanda tuwing Pasko. Para mas maging espesyal ang selebrasyon, nagkaroon din ng iba't ibang laro na nilangkuhan ng mga estudyante at guro.
Para maunawaan natin ang kanilang ipinagdiriwang ngayon, isa sa ating mga balita ay kakapaneri ng ilan sa mga guro at mag-aaral dito sa mataas na paaralan ng Mangkao.
Ano ba ang masasabi mo sa effort ng iyong mga estudyante, lalo na sa kanilang magandang result?
I'm so happy kasi
kasi grade 7 at that. Very young, pero still, nag-effort sila sa pag-decorate. So, pagdating ko dito sa classroom, naka-decorate na sila without, hindi ko alam. So, very happy. Ayaw po ba ang sabi niyo sa effort ng inyong mga estudyante ko, lalo-lalo na sa inyong ganda?
Siyempre, thankful sa effort and initiatives ng mga klase. Maski wala ako na kasi the next day and despite of the weather, ay tuloy mo. So I'm happy and grateful of course. Thank you God.
Ako sa efforts nyo, sa design nyo, maganda, malinis.
Siya po, si Carla Cecilia Pulen, grade 11. Ano po ba ang masasabi niyo sa effort niyo sa mga estudyante? Ano talaga po sa inyo magandang as an advisor, I'm very proud na may mga students ako na very may initiative na mag-design sa classroom every time na there's an event. So, bilang hindi na siya burden sa akin kasi there are students na are willingly tumutulong mag-design sa mga design.
Masaya po kasi sama-sama kami sa last day sa December. Tapos, sana mag-enjoy naman. Sana po mag-enjoy.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga
Ano? Parang simple lang naman ang parang ginawa. Tapos hindi ka nagamit.
Isang mag-aaral, napakalaga para sa atin pagdiwang ng Christmas party. Dahil ito ay isang simbolo ng regalo na kailangan pumunta sa atin, na kailangan natin magkaisa at magkaroon ng pagmamahalan ng isa. Ito ay naghuhudyat din sa atin na hindi lang dapat natin ito kumbaga gawin sa araw na ito, bagos sa buong buhay natin sapagkat napakalaga ng pagmamahal. At para sa akin, yun yung dapat natin, yun yung kalagaan ng Christmas.
Thank you.
Ang ginap ng Christmas party ay nag-iwan ng ngiti sa labi ng mga Mangkawenyos. Mula sa Mangkaw High School, ito si Rochelle Springael nag-uulat. Balik sa iyo ay...
Beach is one of our relaxation. In Rapu-Rapu Albay, you will find Ginanayan Island Beach here in Rapu-Rapu.
Galicia, Rapu-Rapu Albay, you'll find a paradise called Ginanayan Island Beach. This beach attracts tourists, especially from March to May. Known for its white sand like a crystal clear blue waters and a refreshing breeze of air, it offers a unique charm compared to other beaches. The beach has 4 cottages available for tourists to rent at 200 pesos per person. According to its owner, Regina Springael, Springael also shared that one of the main attractions for visitors is the beauty of the sea during high tide. However, she warned about the presence of the sea urchins during low tide, which could cause injuries if not handled carefully. On the right side of the beach, the water gets deep during high tide, posing risks, especially for children. Signs and warning are put in place to ensure the safety of all visitors. To maintain cleanliness, trash bins and signs are strategically placed around the beach. In Ginanayan, Rapu-Rapu Albay, we will find also the one beach called Camp Basalagi Beach, which is suitable for the tourist who loves taking a pictures on boat sailing and taking a picture of a large stone with white sand and blue sea water. So what are you waiting for? Come explore the beauty of Ginanayan Island Beach here in Galicia, Rapu-Rapu Albay.
In your Marquez is ready to take on the stage once again as they represent Muntinlupa City in Miss Universe Philippines 2025. The composer star and celebrity mom is making a much anticipated comeback to the pageant scene, 8 years after becoming the first Filipino to win the Reina Hispanoamericana title in 2017. On Instagram, Winwin reflected on her journey saying, "It has been 10 years at first step on pageant stage, 8 years since I became Miss Filipina, and live in dream work I worked so hard for outside the pageant world." She shared that after taking back to embrace the motherhood, she still had lingering what if for the mother for a woman at the stage in life. But when the opportunities came, I felt it. I had to take it because I am more than ready. I am cool. Women consider joining the pageant a victory in itself, but hopes to redefine what it means to be a reina.
I want her to watch me. I want her to watch me on stage. And when she grows up and say, "My mom joined Miss Universe Philippines. My mom didn't give up on a dream." And that for me is a win. I'm more of scared of the question of what if. I do not want any regrets. And an opportunity like this came to me, I have to grab it. Hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit mangyayari yun, di ba?
She has received strong support from her cousin Miss Universe Philippines 2022, who expressed her excitement for winning this title.
There was no doubt that I would do that. Of course, she's my cousin, but she's also not very hard to support. Again, she's so kind, she's so talented, she has so much potential, and I know that her heart is in the right place. And for me, she is one of the best embodiments of a modern day Filipino mom.
Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines.
I'm Rochelle Springale, your showbiz reporter.
John Lloyd Basco reporting MHS. The low tide presents a special and difficult challenge for Macau High School students every day. For students traveling to and from school, this natural occurrence, which is typically of island communities, creates a perilous journey. These students have been enduring the lengthy and muddy path that frequently appears during low tide 6 years, from grade 7 to grade 12. They traverse perilous terrain, avoiding jagged objects that could be hidden beneath the receding sea water. Despite the ongoing difficulties of this difficult journey, the Macau students have developed resilience through perseverance. They have learned to accept these hardships and realize that they are an essential aspect of island life. One student said, "It's really hard and an interview. Our boat is so far away when the low tide is far out. Depending on how far the boat is, we get soaked. Occasionally, the water reaches our waist." The students continue, "There are times when we just decide to swim to get the boat on your home." These students frequently endure this challenging circumstance in order to receive an education, and they face a formidable task every day. When their uniforms get wet, some students are compelled to skip class, which makes their already difficult circumstances even worse. Realizing their resilience, the Macau High School students have learned to adjust and get past this everyday challenge.
Reporting for MHS News. The municipal sport team optimizing manpower and physical health through sport in the 21st century. For senior high school teacher and event host Serge John Paul Lagumbay, the competitions was not just about showcasing athletic skills, but also about improving sportsmanship, teamwork, and overall physical and mental well-being. The event kicked off with a night celebration on the second day. The games officially began, featuring sports such as sepak takraw, volleyball, badminton, chess, and various track and field events. Throughout this event, young athletes honed their skills and provide their talents. It was also an opportunity for them to learn about sportsmanship, unity, and respect. Hosting the competition at Macau High School was an honor, marking a new chapter for the school's athletic community. This is Renz Canyo reporting for Macau High School.